Hey everybody, it's Dan with TechRunner. This week, the FBI released their annual Internet Crime Report. Now, they do this every year. They provide statistics on what types of cyber crimes have been committed, what people are reporting, how much it cost, the damage was done, etc., etc. It's a pretty scary but very well put together document. I highly recommend you take a look. It is linked in the post. The biggest takeaway this year is that phishing remains the biggest threat to your company. It's referred to technically as business email compromise because your business email account gets compromised, right? And the numbers for 2020 were terrifying. Overall in the United States, it was $1.6 billion worth of remediation due to these issues. In New York State alone, it was $268 million. So if you think that not using two-factor authentication is okay, or reusing a password for your email that you use for your Petco account is okay, let's rethink that. We're talking billions now, billions, and it takes a lot of companies and a lot of affected accounts to get up to that number. Don't let yours be one of them, please.